Eduardo, you ready for part 2 then?
Easy.
Easy money?
That's the hardest time we were doing it.
We got the Pro right here. Simple enough, simple enough. Alright, so currently in the Challenger. Man, it sounds nice. I'm not gonna lie, for a V6, it sounds nice. What is up, you guys? Another day here at the shop. So today we got a special guest, our boy Garland. Basically, we're gonna be doing another install, an exhaust install. We in the mood right now. This is all I gotta say, man. That's how excited I am for this exhaust install. But that's Homeboy's Challenger. We're gonna get the exhaust on that thing. I don't know what this guy's doing, but as you guys remember this, we did the exhaust last week I would say. This week, we got another exhaust, a Borla. We about to throw that on that. So, Borla exhaust, part 2. A second install. Yo, wait a minute, what is this? Yo, I don't know about y'all, but y'all ever seen this? Little Mustang RT right here. So that's the car we're gonna be working on today. Exhaust, Borla exhaust, stay tuned for that. We're gonna get down to it. Borla exhaust. Got JP with the toolbox, Eduardo with the jack. We can throw some jack stands under for safety measures. Jack stands, because safety's first. Cheeto, hit him with it. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Get back to the install. So, step 1, lift up from the differential.
Copy.
Turn it on!
That's it?
Turn it on!
It's purring. We need it to roar, so stay tuned for the install. So like last time, we're gonna need a 13 and a 15. 13's for the exhaust hangers, 15's for the actual mid pipe. Yes, sir. Teamwork makes the dream work. So we got the Pro right here. He was on the install last time. Let's see if he can handle this one on his own.
Hey, contar que no me caiga esta mierda en la cabeza. Tengo miedo, viejo.
He's under a Hellcat right now. From the mid pipe, if you guys remember, those are 15 millimeters, one on each side. And we work our way down to the actual resonators. Those are 13s. And last but not least, the actual mufflers at the end, where JP is currently working on. So 2 exhaust hangers for the muffler, and that's on each side. Deserve a little spot day after this. Oh, yup. How many heads does it take to change out a muffler? 3.
Yeah, I got a 15 right?
This is one of the important tools that we need. 15 millimeter wrench. Putting in that work. So these are the 13s. Both sides for the mufflers. Eduardo already loosened the 13s for the mid pipe. And 13s for the resonators, all the way down to the mid pipe. There goes one bolt. And then we need WD-40, so pass that to my boy Eduardo over there for the mid pipe. Those clamps tend to get rusty. The 2 15s, they want to spray with some WD-40. Break those loose. As you guys can tell, Eduardo has not hit the gym lately. Never mind, there he is. Okay, so we managed to drop the driver's side muffler and passenger side muffler. Pass it to him. So you're gonna need a flathead for the mid pipe. You're gonna bend the flanges out and then pop the mid pipe out, and it'll slide all together as one piece. Here's the view from the mid pipe. Like I said, yeah, you're gonna pop those little flanges out, get the exhaust loose, and then we start wiggling off. So you're gonna have to start shaking, moving it from side to side to get it popped out. We're struggling here a bit, but we're determined. We are determined to get this pipe out. We want to hear this thing chomp. Push, pull, maneuver, shake it, whatever you gotta do to pop that little mid pipe off. Pull that little thing like you're trying to pull a female. Boy Raul has no pull game. Damn, my boy over here putting in the work though. JP. Oh man, putting them to work. Yes sir. Just like that. Stock thing is out. JP, what you gotta say?
Fuck that shit.
Simple enough, simple enough. Aw, man over here putting in work with the weights.
Hey, turn it on.
Now we need a little cold start. louder now.
Hell yeah.
Now we throw this in and it's roaring. Stay tuned. Troqueando.
Hey, qué feo eres.
Same as last time. We're going to need the hangers. So we're going to pop these off. So as you guys remember last time, mid pipe, get to the flanges, or clamps I would say. Alright, so we are back under the car with the mid pipe. Same as last time, the passenger side is the straight end compared to the driver's side, which is a bit curved. Pop those in, throw the clamps over, and then tighten it up. You snug the mid pipe, get it on there, and there we go. Next piece of the puzzle. So we're gonna need the right side and left side. So both exhaust hangers are off. Shout out Raul for putting in some work. What do you gotta let him know? Quick tip and trick to taking exhaust hangers off.
I took these faster than you, bro.
Bro, I took 2 off by the time you took 1 off.
What are you?
Look at this.
What are you? Bro, I took one of those off.
So we're gonna slap these on the mufflers. Snug them up, pop them in. Same thing for that one, onto that one, and then we toss it in. The tuner himself right here, the pro. Borla Exhaust install professional right here. The exhaust hangers will be on, and then all the exhausts will be ready to be thrown on. So slap the actual clamp over. So this is what it looks like under a Hellcat. Pass that over. Line that up. The pro himself. Just like that. Snug it up in there. Tighten the clamp. Same thing on the other side. And remember to bolt up that 13mm right there to the chassis. This is looking good. This is looking real good. Owner working on his car, getting dirty. How it should be. And then we got Raul. I don't know what he's doing. I don't know. Alright, next muffler is going in. So that's 2 right there. Gotta keep him awake, you know? Hey, that's how you do it. Right rear muffler.
We need the clamp.
JP was thinking ahead, so yeah, you need the clamp first. Rear muffler is on. Snug it up. Ooh, is that a Tome? So both mufflers, resonators, and mid pipe are installed. We should get a nice exhaust note, and then she'll be roaring. Hopefully. Hopefully. Tighten up the hangers, tighten up the clamps, tighten up anything that's loose. Final touches, inspected by the man himself, and double inspecting everything, making sure everything is snug, tight, and ready for ignition. Look at that, Borla all the way back. I don't know why you came out to the side, but okay. Saved warrior right here. All said and done, let's hear this thing. All right, tuner, let's see, tuner.
Got everything done.
Let's see what the tuner got. Tuner, right? Right?
Yeah.
Hey, he's got a little tone to it. Not bad at all. The real question is, how does the owner feel?
Shit, that shit sound nice.
Yo. Now, lower the car and then test drive and some sound clips. Good work, y'all. Let's lower this thing. So currently in the Challenger. See how it feels, how it sounds. Man, it sounds nice. I'm not gonna lie, for a V6, it sounds nice. This is the Borla Atak exhaust, full-on exhaust from the headers back. So there it is, you guys. Exhaust is installed. It sounds really nice, like super nice. Look at that. Exhaust came out perfect. Tone came out super nice. So if you got a V6 and you're debating about getting an exhaust, Borla Atak is the way to go. Yep. Real nice. Job well done. Oh, yup. All right, so now that we finished up the car, we do it all here at the shop. About to cut them up, freshen them up real quick. So I'm gonna leave it at that. Y'all stay tuned for next time and keep it authentic. Peace.